Good night, dear tutor and classmates. I socially question to be solved for activity. Question: how did you heard about the position open with our company here? Well, then I heard about the opportunity of change location at moving from physical location to another. I thought about making a career movie, as well as I was starting with my interests and passion. And I love being outside. I love doing outdoor activities, and I love working with people. And when I was looking online, I found this website and that there were positions available in this city area, so I think I would apply. I remain attentive to your important suggestions, and thank you so much, dear tutor and classmates, and good night. By Diana Carolina Barrios Mori.